Two of the biggest names in payroll and HR, Gusto and Deel, face off in the ultimate showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Gusto, effortless payroll and HR for US businesses. And on the right, Deel, global payroll and compliance made easy. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's how we're breaking this down. Think mind map time. We're comparing pricing, international payroll and compliance, US payroll and HR tools and integrations, ease of use, contractor support, and of course, security and compliance. So buckle up, because there are some quirks you might not expect. So let's start with pricing. Gusto honestly keeps things simple. You've got transparent tiered pricing, no guesswork, and their contractor-only plan is actually pretty affordable if you're mainly working with US freelancers. It's predictable, which is such a relief for small teams. But one thing to watch, they sneak in extra fees for some optional add-ons, and this platform isn't really built for global expansion. Now, compare that to Deel. Deel does that whole pay-as-you-grow thing, which is cool if you want flexibility, and it's way more suitable if you're doing international hires. The catch? The overall cost is higher, especially if your team's small. Add-ons like EOR or device management, that stuff, it stacks up really fast. So yeah, for pricing, Gusto takes it. Reliable and wallet-friendly. Next up, international payroll and compliance. Here's the deal. Gusto's got some reach. It can pay overseas contractors, but it's kind of limited. No EOR, not much local compliance help. So if you're thinking global, it's not really their game. Now Deel. Oh, and here's something cool. They let you hire, pay, and manage people in over 100 countries. I mean, seriously. Their EOR service takes care of contracts, compliance, taxes, benefits, and all that gnarly stuff that gets business owners sweating. It's a lot to learn at first, and for a small domestic-only team, it can feel overwhelming. But if international is your thing, Deel absolutely wins here. All right, US payroll and HR. If you're in the States, Gusto is practically famous for making W-2 and 1099 stuff painless. You get automated tax filing for federal and state, plus integrations with health insurance, 401k, all that. It's built for US businesses. Limitations? Yeah, don't expect global options. Deel, meanwhile, can pay US contractors, but their general payroll features aren't quite as polished for pure US use. It works, don't get me wrong, but not as smooth. The focus is definitely less on domestic payroll. So hands down, Gusto wins here for US teams. Did you know? Deel can legally hire and manage staff for your company in over 100 countries, even if you don't have an office or entity there. That's pretty wild for 2025, right? Let's chat HR tools and integrations. With Gusto, onboarding, PTO, benefits admin, super integrated. Over 120 popular small business integrations to plug in, and their dashboard feels easy. No sweating over setup. Reporting is a bit basic, and don't expect tons of custom workflow magic. But for most companies, very solid. Now, Deel's got modular add-ons, like Deel Engage, IT management, immigration support. Their integrations really serve global compliance, plus legal and tax support baked in. But honestly, the basic HR stuff isn't quite as fleshed out, and customization is less than you'd find in some full-blown HR suites. So, for most folks needing easy, plug-and-play HR, Gusto takes it. Ease of use. This one's interesting. Gusto's UI is, famously beginner-friendly. You're in, you're set up, and things feel obvious, even if you've never run payroll before. Quick setup, especially for US startups. The flip side, it's kind of basic when you dig into reporting. But for most, who cares? Now, Deel. Deel is tailored for crazy complex international teams. So yeah, the tools are powerful, but there's a steeper learning curve, and if you're just a small business diving in, it can feel overwhelming. So seriously, Gusto is way easier for most folks. Contractor and freelancer support. So Gusto works smoothly for US-based 1099 folks, no drama there. If you've got global freelancers, not so much. Support is minimal. Deel, though, is king here. Global contractors, 120 currencies, bulk payments, almost anything. The downside? It's pricier than just working inside the US. But if you're managing a worldwide freelancer squad, Deel's support is just unbeatable. Now, security and compliance. Gusto encrypts sensitive payroll data, and they meet all the key US regulatory standards. So you don't have to lose sleep there. The thing is, their compliance focus is really domestic. Deel, on the other hand, is big on international security and compliance, with strong encryption and dedicated legal/tax support. Only thing, they rely on a third-party network for some global compliance bits. So you kind of have to trust their partners. Still, honestly, both are top tier here. So this one's a tie. So if you map out all these categories side by side, you'll see Gusto shine for US-based businesses. Affordable, super easy, reliable HR tools. Deel, though, dominates anything global, with EOR services, international compliance, and freelancer support off the charts. All right, final thoughts. Pick Gusto if you're a US small business looking for reliable, no-fuss payroll and HR. If you're managing global teams, you want EOR, or you've got wild cross-border needs, Deel's your best bet. If this helped you, don't forget, share it or bookmark it for your future hiring adventures.